Hello students, welcome to Geography class of 9th standard. As we are doing lesson number 14, Atmospheric Pressure and Wind System. Today we are going to start with the world local winds, which is given on page number 109 to 1010 on your geography book. The objectives of the topic are to discuss about the local winds of India and the world. Let us start the topic with a little introduction. Local winds. These winds blow over small areas for a short period. They are developed due to temperate depressions. It means system with low pressure at the center. They may be warm or cold depending upon the area from which they blow. Now students, open page number 109, Local winds. The local winds develop due to the local variations in temperature, pressure, and humidity. They affect small areas and are restricted to the lowest levels of the troposphere. There are numerous local winds which blow in different parts of the world. They have local names like Lu, Chinook, Fawn, Mistral, etc. Lu in India are very hot and dry winds which blow in the plains of North India and Pakistan in the months of May and June, usually in the afternoons. Their movement is feeble during the night hours. The temperature of the air ranges between 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. A Lu can cause sunstroke to the people. Students, a hot local wind experienced over northern plains of India is called Lu. These winds blow in the months of May and June and they are responsible for heat waves in the northern plains of India. These westerly winds originate over the desert region and carry little moisture. Deaths caused by sunstroke are not uncommon during the season of these winds. Apart from Lu, there are some more local winds blow in India, like Kalbaisakhi in West Bengal and mango showers in Karnataka. Let's discuss Kalbaisakhi or nor'westers. In the eastern and northeastern parts of India, violent storms at a speed of about 60 to 80 km per hour are experienced. Their direction is mainly from the northwest and are thus called nor'westers. The hailstorms are accompanied by heavy showers. They cause damage to standing crops, trees, buildings, livestock, and even lead to loss of human lives. The nor'westers occur in the month of Baisakh and thus are locally known as Kalbaisakhi in West Bengal and Bardoi Chila in Assam. Towards the close of the summer season, thunderstorms occur in Kerala and the adjoining parts of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, particularly during evenings and nights. These are the pre-monsoon showers, which are locally known as mango showers. They are so called because they help in the early ripening of mangoes. The pre-monsoon showers in South India are called cherry blossoms due to their beneficial role in the coffee plantations. The summer season is generally a dry period but not without rain. The locally formed dust storms and thunderstorms bring variable amount of rainfall to different parts of India. Next is Chinook, USA, means snow eater. The word has been derived from the name of Red Indian tribe that lived near the mouth of the Columbia River. Chinook is a warm, dry southwesterly wind which blows down the eastern slopes of the Rockies in parts of USA and Canada. While descending along the eastern leeward slope, these winds can increase the temperature by about 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius in a couple of hours. It is useful to ranchers as it keeps the grasslands clear of snow during the winter season. Students, Chinook is the local warm wind blowing descending on the eastern slope of the Rocky Mountains in North America. Due to its role in melting the snow quickly in the spring season, it is often called the snow eater. Next is Föhn in Europe. It is a strong, dry, and hot wind which develops on the leeward side of the Alps mountain range. While descending on the leeward side, it warms up and becomes dry. The wind helps in animal grazing by melting the snow in the late winter season. It also has in the ripening of grapes in the autumn season. Students, Föhn, it is a local wind experienced in the valleys of the Alps. It is a warm and dry wind descending on the leeward side of the mountain, and the high temperature of the air is due to its descent from the mountain top. Föhn can raise the temperature of an area by as much as 12 degrees Celsius within a few hours. Föhn plays an effective role in melting snow and ripening of fruits in the Swiss valley of the northern side of the Alps. Next, again in Europe only, Mistral. It is a cold northwesterly wind experienced on the northwestern coast of the Mediterranean Sea, especially in the Rhone River Valley. It reaches the Rhone Delta as an extremely strong cold and dry wind during the winter months. Mistral brings cloudless sky, which is helpful in aviation. The houses in the Rhone Valley have doors and windows on the southeastern side to avoid the adverse influence of the Mistral. Students, Mistral is a violent, dry, cold wind that blows from central France and the Alps to the Mediterranean. Students, as we know, the local winds are developed due to temperate depression. They may be warm or cold depending upon the area from which they blow. Depression winds are hot winds. Air is drawn in form of the tropical regions in front of the depressions, giving rise to hot winds. These winds are usually hot and dusty and become humid when they cross a sea surface. Here are some examples of cold and warm winds. Cold winds, Pampero, Gregel, Bora, Termonte, Mistral. Warm winds, Föhn, Chinook, Zonda, Lu, Sirocco. So students, this is all about today's topic. Hope you understand well. We will meet very soon with the next topic, variable winds, cyclones and anticyclones. Till then, have a nice day.